The camp of Rodrigo Duterte is seeking the reversal of the International Criminal Court Pretrial Chamber 1's decision on the former president's continued detention. In a 6-page notice submitted to the ICC Appeals Chamber, Duterte's lead counsel Nicholas Kaufman says the pretrial chamber committed what he describes as an error of law and of fact. He says the pretrial chamber refused to consider, without proper motivation, a medical report from a defense neurologist and neuropsychologist. Kaufman argues that the pretrial chamber failed in its duty to assess whether there exists changed circumstances that would affect the necessity of detention. The defense says the aforementioned report was highly relevant to the assessment of Duterte's continued detention. The defense likewise claims that the pretrial chamber also committed a legal error when it refused to engage with the uncontested content of the medical report and the defense arguments. According to the Duterte camp's appeal, the dismissal of the defense's medical report is supposedly a rejection of the suspect's right to a fair hearing. Apart from these, they also argue that the chamber should have granted the defense's prior request that the court-appointed panel of experts issue a report on Duterte's current ability. With these, the defense is requesting the immediate interim release of the former president under the terms and conditions preferred by the state party identified in the first instance. The pretrial chamber 1 previously ruled that Duterte was fit to take part in the pretrial proceedings on his crimes against humanity case. The chamber took into account the medical assessment of the panel's independent experts and all relevant circumstances of the case. The start of Duterte's confirmation of charges hearing is scheduled on February 23.